District Health Society Jiribam ki meeting makhada NCD cell Jiribam Sinduna Diabetes and Well-being and Diabetes and the Workplace haiba team the World Diabetes Observation Day thorom Jiribam gi Ningsing khulda leba District Hospital da pangthokkhrae thorom asida Dr. Mohammad Yunus Ali, former SP of Jiribam, Morangte Movie Singh IPS amade Chief Medical Officer Jiribam Dr. Binay Prasad Sahu, Namathang Sina President Guest of Honor amade Chief Guest on Sarukya K, Lieutenant Dr. Justin Haubam MO Medicine District Nodal Officer NCD Jiribam na Resource Person on Sarukya K, Guest of Honor Oikiba M Movie na Fungdok Kibada, Haujik Jiribam District Hospital da Apaba amadi chakhatpa lambirom da changlakpada thagatpa phongdokki chief guest ki warot piraduna CMO Dr. Binay Prasad Sahu na hai Jiribam gi DC Krishna Kumar IS na full support obibadagi ngasi district hospital asida hena phaba amadi aphaba hospital ama oina uba phangbani haike mahana makhata na haike bada specialist doctor obstetric amadi gynecologist ki Dr. Singh amadi radiology ki service so district hospital leragani hai asida leragani haike